I'm Vanessa, also known as My Truth Story on Instagram. This is my little one's room, and this is our Pixsee. The Pixsee Smart Baby Camera is not only just a baby monitor, it also captures those special moments that you would otherwise miss out on. One of my favorite features of this camera is all of those sweet memories are stored on the app, and you can access all of those photos from the Pixsee app, which is super user-friendly. I remember telling my husband, we need to use these as security cameras because the quality was that good. The Pixsee's 6-layer optical lens gives you exceptional quality photos and videos. Pixsee's smart detection technology tracks and stores and logs all of your baby's facial expressions. The Pixsee also attempts to soothe your baby if your baby is crying or fussing, and I feel like that is what makes Pixsee so great. It is perfect for home buyers and renters alike. Pixsee is a brand that is thoughtfully made, quality made, and with all of its features, I couldn't ask for anything more in a baby camera.